Okay, Himang, so let us start with your mock interview for Snap interview for IIT Madras, MS in Engineering Design, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell us about your brief about your background, Himang. Which background you are from? Engineering. When did you graduate? Your GATE score and your CGPA.
I am Himang Verma. My native place is Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Sir, I have did my BTech from Industrial and Production Engineering from NIT Jalandhar with CGPA of 7.41. My GATE score is 433 and my GATE marks are 41 approximately 41 marks.
Okay, and what made you apply for IIT Madras Engineering Design? Why you want to apply for this?
Sir, first of all, IIT Madras is top institute and IIT Madras is most focused on research works, and as my future goal is to set up my own manufacturing industry, so I should have the practical knowledge of the equipments and machineries. That's why I chose MS over MTech.
So you have your specialization, you have written materials and design as the first choice, right?
Yes, sir.
So materials and design, what do you understand by that, materials and design?
Sir, in that particular, there are many topics. From that topic, I have selected sustainable manufacturing as my MS.
Okay, sustainable manufacturing you want, huh?
Yes, yes.
What do you mean by sustainable manufacturing, Himang?
So, sustainable manufacturing is process of reducing the waste the waste that are degrading our environment. So, sustainable manufacturing deals with means minimizing the waste like pollution, water, or scrap that are degrading our environment.
Okay. Yes. So Mayank, you have any idea about green manufacturing?
Yes, sir. Sir,
what is that?
Sir, green manufacturing is related to protect our environment. Like if a manufacturing industry is producing lot of carbon emission, so our aim would be to reduce that carbon emission. If a manufacturing industry is producing waste water, so our job will be to first purify that water, then release into the water bodies.
Okay. So how green manufacturing is different from sustainable manufacturing?
Sir, approximately both are similar terms. But sustainable manufacturing is a concept that is related to lean manufacturing, mainly reducing waste and
yes,
reducing waste.
Okay,
and
tell me, lean manufacturing or thin manufacturing? It was started in some particular company, automobile company. Do you know the name of that company?
Sir, Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota manufacturing system. So yes, what do you understand by lean manufacturing?
So lean manufacturing is an industrial technique that is used to reduce the waste, and waste can be manpower, transportation, inventory, or scrap, etc. And how
do they do that?
So, sir, in lean manufacturing, there are multiple techniques like Kaizen, 5S, Kanban system, and JIT.
Tell me something about Kanban system.
The Kanban system is a technique in which we mainly use some cards, like one card is in processing, complete, or hold. So if a system that is in hold state, we will means denoted by hold card. So it is mainly helpful to distinguish between the work. So if we will distinguish, then our workload will be easy.
Okay. And what is the Kaizen?
Sir, Kaizen is a continuous improvement process that we will make small improvement daily, which will lead to larger result in longer time. Okay.
And Hemant, what do you understand by Six Sigma?
Sir, Six Sigma is basically used for improving the quality. Six Sigma means 3.4 defects per million.
Okay.
So if we are using Six Sigma, then chances of our defect decreases and our process becomes more effective and our cost decreases.
Okay, can you tell me in manufacturing industry where maximum wastage take place?
Sir, as I have experience of JK Tyre as my internship, and their wastage was mainly due to the scrap. And scrap.
Okay, tell me metal cutting mein what is a scrap?
Sir, in metal cutting, chip formation is a scrap, And if a workpiece is machined more, means more than the required dimension, then workpiece itself becomes a scrap.
So what is the solution to minimize that wastage?
So first of all is we should have skilled labor. So our wastage will be less and our process should be optimized. Means
Okay.
Our means sigma limit should be as close, means 3 sigma we are using it plus minus 3 sigma. And other can be, sir, I'm not able to recall right.
Okay, can you tell me, Himank, what do you understand by rapid prototyping?
Sir, rapid prototyping is a process in which we produce layer by layer of a material. Suppose we want to make a cube. So one method can be I machine a cube on a milling machine. Other can be I can produce the cube by layer. So that is a rapid prototyping. In this, we have different techniques like lithography and fused deposition modeling. So most common is fused.
Do you think
deposition modeling.
that is example of sustainable manufacturing?
Yes, sir. This is an example of.
Okay. Can you give me some more examples of
Yes,
sustainable manufacturing? Yeah.
Sir, in US there is a company that is manufacturing 3D printed houses.
Yes.
Yeah. And in our conventional method, we require cement, bricks, and a lot of energy is required, manpower is required, which degrades the environment, because in construction process, a lot of air pollution is done and water pollution is done. But if we are making ready-made 3D printed house, that will reduce wastage and our resources will be used optimally.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So do you think there is no wastage in such when such houses are manufactured?
Sir,
3D houses?
So less wastage is there, and resources are means used optimally. Like, sir, there is another example of a company in Germany that uses this concept of sustainable manufacturing.
Okay, tell me, Himank, in metal cutting, I was asking you, like, chips are the wastage. Yes. How to minimize that wastage of the metal cutting chips? What can we do for that?
Sir, first of all, if I want to make a workpiece, say diameter of 15 mm, so I should take a initial workpiece of close to 15 mm. If I will start machining from 20 mm, then extra 5 mm material I have to remove. But if I start with the material of 16 mm, then only 1 mm material I have to remove. So this can be one way, sir.
Okay. So have you gone through the research work going on in this department?
Yes, sir.
Related to sustainable manufacturing?
Yes, sir. I read about one professor, Balakrishna Rao. Okay. He is working in same domain.
Okay. And what you would like to work in that area? Any specific information?
Sir, specifically, I haven't decided, sir. I don't know.
Any manufacturing process you have thought of for rapid prototyping or something like that?
Sir, for research work, I don't know.
So you have not identified anything. So what area you mentioned about the professor who is working there, and what is his area?
Sir, sustainable manufacturing, and in that additive manufacturing.
Okay, additive manufacturing, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So that is in that domain in which you would like to work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as you gave the example that houses are being constructed using rapid prototyping, that is a very big thing, right?
Yes, sir.
How it is done? Are they using a robot or something?
Sir, basically process is similar to the small models, but they have enlarged the machines.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me now, what is your final year BTech project you have done, Himank?
Sir, I have worked on I have made a mini refrigerator that is powered by vortex tube, sir.
Okay. And now you are shifting from that to sustainable manufacturing.
Sir, my courses are aligned to my long-term goal. Like first I opted for industrial and production engineering. Now I want to go for sustainable.
So you are saying that you want to start some kind of company later on after masters. So which area you would like to work on? Which direction? Yeah.
Sir, I have thought of manufacturing abroad, like some solar plates or some means e-waste recycling. Sir, I have just an idea.
This reminds you to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything you want to ask the panel?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me give you, Himank, the feedback. See, sustainable manufacturing and green manufacturing. Green manufacturing means environment pollution nahi karna hai. Green means no environment pollution. Sustainable means minimizing the wastage, as you rightly said. So you rightly said sustainable manufacturing is close to lean manufacturing or thin manufacturing, Toyota production system. तो वेस्टेज को कम करना is basically related to sustainability. Why? Because future generations also should have those resources with them. वेस्टेज कम होगा तभी तो future generations can get benefit. Green manufacturing means presently pollution मत निकालो, right? It may be possible that you are having sustainable manufacturing, but it is at the same time polluting also. It is possible, but pollution की वजह से वो sustainable नहीं रहेगा फिर future में. तो एक तो ये आप सस्टेनेबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देख लो. मेरे को जहां पे लगा आप सबसे वीक हो वो यही है कि आपको पता नहीं है रिसर्च करनी क्या चाहते हैं. वो सबसे वीक हो और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वही है. तो आज रात को वही काम आप रिवाइज करो. गो टू द डिपार्टमेंट प्रोफेसर यू हैव मेंशन्ड, सी हिज पेपर, यू मे गेट 5%, 10%. सी हिज पेपर, सी द लिंक पेपर, गूगल आउट द थिंग्स एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट. गॉट इट? वो काम सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको कर लो हिमांक. If you do that, the rest is okay. Rest I found you have knowledge is good. और मे बी रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग बोल दो, वो भी तो सस्टेनेबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है ना. तुमने घर का एग्जांपल दिया तो रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का एग्जांपल दे दो कोई कि सर रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग से ये बन रहा है, वो सस्टेनेबल है. तो रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग ले आओ ना बीच में, कहीं कर तो रहे थे तुम वैसा. तो रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिवाइसेस देख लो क्या बन रही हैं. और कौन से एरिया, विच प्लेस यू बिलोंग टू इन इंडिया?
ग्वालियर, मध्य प्रदेश.
हाँ, तो मध्य प्रदेश में ग्वालियर में देखो क्या चीज की इंडस्ट्रीज है. लिंक बिठा दो कि सर वहां पे ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में उसको स्पेयर पार्ट देना चाहता हूँ, नट देना चाहता हूँ, रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग से नट बनाऊंगा. कुछ लिंक बनाओ ना उसका. ऐसा कोई लिंक बड़ा आसानी से बन जाएगा यार. अमेरिका का एग्जांपल ला रहे हो तो ग्वालियर का लेके आओ ना यार. और सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का एग्जांपल ला रहे हो घर बनाने का, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो आप तो, राइट? मैकेनिकल हो ना आप तो.
इंडस्ट्रियल एंड प्रोडक्शन.
हाँ, तो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन, तो प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियर हो यार. बताओ, प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियर हो तो इंडस्ट्री का एग्जांपल लाओ ना हिमांक. बाकी सब ठीक है, बाकी सब सही है. गो फॉर इट. चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर टुमारो.
थैंक यू सर.